My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Wizard. Wizard is a special ransomware that currently attacks many Windows computers all over the world. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, all that can be opened easily without troubles. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this wizard ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer and do its damage. Now, the ransomware is called Wizard because it encrypts the files and appends this Wizard extension to the file names, so it is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware then drops this ransom note mentioning that people need to pay the ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom, of course, is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. We recommend that you remove this ransomware immediately, and we suggest that you do it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner through the official website combocleaner.com. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt your data, it only removes this ransomware. So through the website combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, then click on Start Scan button. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is of course essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Now, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner, which is called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature, of course, is the part of the premium license only. Then keep in mind that the scanning duration may last for several minutes. Typically, it depends on various factors. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations on the system. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.